Alright, what's up, people? It's your man, Rajay111, back at it. Alright, so, first I want to thank everybody for, entering the contest and participating. Also want to thank my man Matt for sending RC and Brent from Bones Motorsports for sponsoring the giveaway. Appreciate it. Don't worry, people, there will be more giveaways and also the 4-engine raffles that's coming. I promise, I got you. So, and all the contestants been emailed. So I'm waiting on, I think, 2 more to hit me back. But all the contestants that people that won, they all been emailed. So check your emails. All right. This the Maxy. Y'all know I've been running. So what I wanted to show you is that this the inside of it after it's been broken in on the Bones break-in fuel, and it has, I'm gonna say 4 gallons. If it's not 4 gallons, it's just shy, maybe a tank or 2 shy of 4 gallons to it. It's been ran exclusively on 38 and the World's Blend, the V2. That's all I've been through here. So I'm gonna show you how clean it looks inside and everything. That's it. I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm in here getting some stuff together. I'm also show y'all the bodies after a couple races with the Flex Seal and the drywall tape too. All right, so boom, let's go in here. Here's the crank. This engine hasn't been cleaned. I didn't do any after run oil, nothing. I just literally took it out and took it apart and wanted to show y'all. So see that? See, make sure y'all in there real nice and tight. Okay. Very clean, very clean, very clean. Okay. Back plate. You can still see. Now there's been no after run oil or anything. I just took it apart. That's it. Okay. Piston. Look at the piston. Nice and good golden brown. Caster. That's built up. That's to be expected. Alright. Sleeve. Okay. Let's check the pinch. Pinch still crazy. Still got good pinch. Still crazy. Looks beautiful. Button head. Now button head got some dirt, but that's to be expected, to collect right here. But cash to build up, that's to be expected. You know what I mean? That's why I do like the O-ring ones around there. You know what I mean? But good. Crank. Crank still looking delicious, baby. Still looking delicious. Alright. Cool. So I just wanted to show y'all that. Oh, let me show you the head. Ain't nothing much with the head, but I ain't beat it up too bad. Cool. Sweet. Alright. Let me just mount the camera so that way I can show y'all the bodies and stuff. Alright. Be right back. Alright. So, as y'all can see, these the bodies after they've been ran a few times. Now I got a scratch here, but that came from the throw of the throttle and brake. The throw. But as you can see, they didn't look too bad. Now they have a couple races on, at least 2 races on them. Alright, and they still doing good. Still going good. Show you the inside. And you can see the dirt kind of does get trapped in the drywall tape, but the protection is definitely there. Make sure y'all focused in on that. Yeah, the protection is definitely there. And that's the Flex Seal with the drywall tape. And you can see, like I said, running through the windows. You know what I mean? It's good. Truggy. Now, These holes did get elongated. My other body did the same thing. I don't know why it does that, but they did get elongated. But otherwise, that she's still, you know, looking good. You know what I mean? Got a little bit of heat build up right there. Some heat must have built up right there. But otherwise, that still looking good. Again, dirt gonna get trapped up in there, but that's not that's not no problems. You know what I mean? So, drywall with the Flex Seal gets my approval. It works out good. Let me show y'all some new bodies from Proline. Here we go. These are the Axis bodies from Proline. This is for the Mugen. Now they have these for the Mugen, of course, the TLR, and Team Associate. I think they're getting more coming in too. So, but right now it's just buggy. Last time I checked, they didn't have it for the truggy, but that's the part number. All right. Make sure y'all in there. Hold on. Let me make sure this focus. All right. Part number. All right. So, let me see if I can put this here. Give me a second. Move these out the way for a second. Hold on, y'all. Alright. Alright, these are the bodies. They're more of a different, see the front nose? More of a scoop in the front. Alright. But I'll tell you what, let me take it out the bag and I'll be right back. Now you can see it better. See a little bit of scoop in the front. Bodies look a little different. Now these you gotta cut out. You gotta get your cut on. But it does give you the perforation so you can cut like for your engine mount, stuff like that. But you gotta, you know, you gotta get busy. You gotta get busy, baby. Come with the film. Also comes with, you know, your masking tape. See, it's more of a that type of deal. See what I mean? Here's a buggy body. See what compare them. See what I mean? Y'all can see all that. Yeah. All right. Let me see. Axis bodies. All right. Get a better shot. Part number. All right. All right, people. So that's it. That's your man. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. I'm in here trying to get the cars together, get them popping. All right. So it's your man Rajay 111. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.